Okay, first open Genius Scan on your phone, and when you do that, click on the bottom left-hand plus symbol and click on Scan from Camera. Once you do that, then you can hold up your work in front of your phone and take a picture, just like this. You might have multiple pages for the final exam, so just keep doing that until you've photographed all of your images. So then in the bottom right-hand corner, there's that little export symbol, and you're going to send it to your email. So I just clicked on email, and then I'm typing in my email address. This time I'm using my work email. So I send it to my email, then I go over to my email to try to retrieve this document. As you can see, I've done this previously, so I'm going to use an old scan to show you what to do next. So if you click on the export icon in the top right-hand corner, then we're going to click on Save to Files. Now the first thing I'm going to do here is rename this document so it's very easy for me to find later. So I clicked on the name of the document, and then I'm typing in AAA scan so that it comes up first alphabetically. Okay, then I tell the computer where I want to save it. I'm going to save it on my OneDrive files, stuff, and then in CCBC. So now I have to go to Blackboard. I apologize, I thought I was already logged into Blackboard and it already kicked me out, so I just had to take a second to relog into Blackboard here. So just give the video a minute to get back into that technology assignment. Remember, you already should have the technology assignment open, and you should already be in there by the time you're scanning in your work, because that's the last thing you do before you're done. So down here you can see questions 3, 4, and 5 are for submitting work. So I clicked on question 3, browse computer. Okay, then I go to the right file, which is CCBC, and then hopefully you can see here that AAA scan that I saved. I clicked on that file, and now it's there. So then I click on Save Answer, and then that's all I really need to do, because all you're graded on is that document.